Hey, it's John Clark from PrivatePracticeWorkshop.com, helping you build a better business without all the overwhelm. In this video, I'm teaching you exactly how to actually market your private practice the right way. Since 2013, I've helped hundreds of therapists dial in their message, really hone in their marketing, and learn how to get clients consistently so that they can grow their practice all the way to the sky. I want to help you do the same in this video. I want to also mention that right now, the doors to our fully booked training program, it's a 5-step proven system for getting new clients consistently, is open now for a limited time. If you want to get clients consistently, click the link in the description below. Okay, so now let's get into our steps on how to actually market your private practice the right way. Step number 1, know your audience. This doesn't matter whether you're getting ready to actually create the copy for your website or even just getting ready for a difficult conversation with one person. Always know your audience. Think about what that person wants, needs, feels, dreams about, is afraid of. If you know your ideal client better than they know themselves, you're gonna have no problem dialing in your message. So if you don't know who your audience is, just think about the clients that you've enjoyed working with the most. Make a list of those clients now. Ideally, they are actual clients so that you can really sit there and visualize them. And then next, we're gonna basically create our marketing completely around this exact person. Step number 2, clarify your message. By message, I mean any piece of copy that's within your marketing collateral. Your website, your Psychology Today page, your Facebook business page, your business cards, anywhere that your marketing is happening. I like to teach my copywriting sandwich, and it's just 3 simple parts. The first part, identify the pain points of your client. What are they experiencing right now? What are they thinking, feeling, and believing about their current circumstance? List out those pain points one by one. Next, I want you to write down the benefits and outcomes of working with you as it relates to these pain points. In other words, you're really just going to talk about the opposite of each pain point. So if right now the client is so anxious they can barely leave the house, then the benefit or outcome statement would be feeling calm and so reassured that you're ready to get back out there again, leave the house, and live life. Once you have those 2 kind of mirroring lists, the last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna position just a short paragraph about yourself in the middle. By doing this, you're introducing yourself and really positioning yourself as part of the solution. Take 10 or 15 minutes to do this, and boom, you've got a web page on your hands. Your copy is strong, it's simple, it's effective, and it's ready to go. Number 3, focus your marketing efforts entirely around where people are actually searching for a therapist. For my whole career in helping therapists since 2013, this has never changed. It's Google. The reality is, this is where people go to look for their next therapist. So I think every therapist should be completely obsessed with getting in front of these search results one way or another every single day with consistency. How do you do that? Well, there's basically 2 kinds of traffic within Google. Paid and organic. Paid traffic meaning your Google ads, organic traffic meaning your Google My Business, and your search engine optimization or your SEO. Focus equally on these 2 things and constantly be striking a balance between those paid strategies and those organic strategies. Step 4, now that you've worked to know your audience, clarify your message, and actually get traffic to your website, the next thing you want to do is you want to collect, organize, and engage all the leads in your business through your email list. I see so many therapists skipping this part, and I can't tell you what a mistake that is. Your email list over time becomes a captive audience of people who know, like, and trust you, and who love to hear from you. It just so happens that people are consistently in one single place every day, more than anywhere else, and that's their inbox. You need to be there. Okay, so that's how to market a private practice the right way in just 4 simple steps. If you want to get clients consistently for your therapy private practice, then now's the time to join our fully booked training program. It's a 5-step system for getting new clients consistently. If you're interested in fully booked, just head to the link in the description below. Other than that, make sure you hit the subscribe button here, hit the like button for this video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments and questions below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm John Clark from PrivatePracticeWorkshop.com. While you're here, check out the other videos in our channel, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.